Honestly, I almost didn't post this today because I looked at the video, I listened to my voice, and that familiar ugly thought immediately popped up. Fariha, who are you trying to fool? This is embarrassing. Look at everyone else online. They're so far ahead of you. Have you had that voice in your head today? That feeling that you are just stuck behind a glass wall, watching everyone else win while you are left behind in the dark? If you are sitting in your room right now, feeling completely lonely or like you lack the confidence of even start, please don't scroll away. Just stay here with me for a minute. Welcome to day one of the Confidence Lab. This isn't a lecture. Allah knows I don't have my life figured out. This is just a 60-day experiment where I'm going to force myself to face my biggest fears out loud, and I want you to do it with me. Today's experiment was actually terrifying for me. I forced myself to record a voice memo of my own voice, and I made myself sit there and listen to the whole thing, not deleting it, not correcting my mistakes. It was so uncomfortable. I stumbled over my words. My tone sounded weird to me, and my thumb instantly wanted to hit the delete button. But then I realized every time we delete our own voice, because it's not perfect, we are rejecting ourselves. We are telling ourselves that if you are messy beginners, we don't deserve to be heard, and that is just so cruel. Listen to me. You are not late. You cannot be behind on a timeline that belongs entirely to you. It gets lonely trying to improve your life. I know, but your quiet room tonight, it's not prison, it's our laboratory. You are alone in your room, and I'm alone in mine. But right here, right now, we are growing together. I survived my own voice today. The wall didn't end because I made a mistake, and you will survive too. Let's start this experiment properly. Go down to this comment right now. Type your name and tell me one thing you want to build the confidence to do over the next 60 days. I'm going to read every single one. The next 2 months are going to pass anyway. Let's not spend them in silence. Day 1 is done. Take a deep breath. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Inshallah. So it's Milan with Fariha. Stay motivated with me. Stay focused.